Top 5 Best Ka-Bar Tactical Survival Knives. Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the best cheese graters in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these cheese graters, you can check out the links in the description below.
Audio Jungle.
Ka-Bar Kydex Sheath for short. By purchasing any item from Tomer's Ka-Bar Knives, you are agreeing that you are at least 18 years of age and are of legal age to buy and own such products within your local area. Tomer's Ka-Bar Knives will not accept any responsibility for any misuse or unlawful action taken by you with any of the Ka-Bar products purchased here. By purchasing, you are agreeing that you are solely responsible for observing any and all local laws of your area regarding products of these types. Tomer's Ka-Bar Knives reserves the right to refuse the sale of any Ka-Bar 200,038 BK3 Becker tack tool. The Becker tack tool features a 7 inches fixed black partially serrated chisel blade made from 1095 Crovan steel and includes a belt cutter with a black Gravory handle that includes a lanyard hole. Knife has an overall LENGHT of 12.5 inches with a black hard plastic sheath and has a green canvas micarta handle per case option. Attributes: blade detail, plain edge blade length, inches, 7.00 blade material, carbon steel black carry system, glass-filled nylon sheath handle material. Ka-Bar Knives. The Ka-Bar USMC fighting knife is a legendary blade that was first designed to serve U.S. troops during World War II. Now, more than 50 years later, it still offers the same high-quality design you can depend on. It boasts a 1095 carbon steel blade that is epoxy powder-coated and a stacked leather handle. Includes a leather USMC sheath made in the USA. Ka-Bar 7503 Ka-Bar. The Ka-Bar USMC fighting knife is a legendary blade that was first designed to serve U.S. troops during World War II. Now, more than 50 years later, it still offers the same high-quality design you can depend on. It boasts a 1095 carbon steel blade that is epoxy powder-coated and a stacked leather handle. Includes a leather USMC sheath made in the USA. Ka-Bar single mark. Never been in the military but still want the Ka-Bar? The 1320 single mark Ka-Bar is for you. Made to the exact specifications of the legendary Ka-Bar USMC fighting utility knife, the single mark Ka-Bar is stamped with Ka-Bar, Olin NY on one side and blank on the reverse, leaving a prime spot to have your knife engraved. The 1320 comes with a blank leather sheath. Specifications: weight, 0. 65 pounds. Blade type, fixed blade. Blade length, 7. 0 inch. Blade thickness, 165 inches. Blade width, 1. 188 inches. Overall length, 11. 875 inches. Edge angles, 20 degrees. Shape, clip, tang stamp. Ka-Bar, knife material, 1095 Crovan. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.